welcome back to another video. We're gonna do another pack opening. Last time was a little bit depressing. No, it's not. We got messy. Fuck that. We got messy, bro. So, we're gonna get straight into it. Here we go. First pack. Alan. Okay. I got scared that was actually gonna be the best player. Second pack. Rookie. Next pack. We have gotten nobody. Come on, be somebody good. Once again, nobody. Okay, 90. Oh, Marquinhos, nice. So 94 or over is when we're gonna stop this video. Or let's just say 93 or over. Yeah, 93 or over sounds good. Which will probably not be for, well, a hell of a long time. Here we go. No, well, Thiago Silva's not bad. What pack is this? Okay, we do have the special pack. Okay, I got worried that it was just gonna... Oh, here we go. I got a little bit worried because it was the same damn Team of the Week cards every single time. Oh, another one. This could be good. It's just okay. Isco, okay. Come on. Nah. So, oh my god, another team of the season. Come on, no more team of the season. Oh! Come on! Smash! Come on! Barcelona! Center back. Okay. That's not bad at all, let's be honest. No, fuck, not that one. This one. Okay. Laporte, not bad. Okay, now, if you don't know what this means, it could be something hella good. Manchester City goalkeeper. Oh god, I thought it was gonna be Neymar. Well, Neymar's not a goalkeeper, but once I saw it in like the quality of card, and that was Brazilian, I thought it was gonna be fucking Neymar, bro. It's another team of the week. Benzema, not bad, but another team of the week, god. Oh! Okay. German. Is it goalkeeper? No, striker. Christ, what's his name? Klose. Yes, that's him. Okay. Next pack. That was definitely a highlight for us. Let's again try to get to really good cards. Another team of the season. I mean week. I wish it was team of the season. If it was team of the season, that'd be great. Look, another team of the week. What do you know? Bro, you're kidding me. Oh my god, another team of the week. I swear to god, if I get 2 more team of the weeks in a row. Oh, it's another team of the week. It's 2 team of the weeks. No. This isn't team of the week, nor is it good. Okay. You are fucking with me now. It's another team of the week. Oh, yes. Team of the season. Okay, who is it? 91 rated Mateo. Wow. That's hella good. That's our best card yet, I'm pretty sure. Another team of the week. Okay. Ruffier. I swear to God, this is team of the week again. What is this? Oh, Tottenham. Oh, strike. No, it's Dele Alli. Okay. It's 87. Not bad. Alba as well. Okay. What the fuck kind of card is this? Oh, okay. Let us try to get... Oh, no. Okay, that's actually a okay team of the week, but it's a team of the week again. It's another team of the week. Again. What do you bet? Another team of the week? Oh? Oh, it's Denmark. It's gonna be... What's his name? Christian Eriksen. And the team of the week. Worry about it's another team of the week, I bet. Oh, yep, it is. Okay. Great. Another team of the week. Yep. Another team of the week, I'm gonna guess. Yes, it is. It's always team of the fucking week, bro. There's no getting away from it. Maybe today we got away from it in this pack. Spanish. Oh, David Silva. Okay. Is there gonna be team of the week as well? Yes, there is. Oh my god. Team of the week. No. Oh, good. It's not team of the week. Senegal. Oh, please be Sadio Mane. Wow. Fuck, that's great. Okay. Okay. Damn it. Another team of the week. The Saudi Mane pack, I didn't check if there was a team of the week, but oh my god, team of the season. Netherlands. What team is that? Oh, I don't know him. That's fine. Whatever. Muller as well. Nice. There you go. Another team of the week. Okay, great. Thanks for that. Okay. Can we at least get a decent team of the week if we're gonna get any team of the weeks? That's just what's happening right now. Oh, Rodri, that's not bad. This better be a good team of the week, otherwise I'm going to be pissed. I'm pissed. Wow. Martinez, nice. Okay. Laporte. Wait. Is that? Oh my god, a prime. Puyol. Carlos. Oh no, wait. I'm an idiot. 93. Okay. So, let's just open up 7 more packs just for fun. 1. This is another team of the week. 2. Another team of the week. 3. Another team of the week. 4. Not another team of the week. Keylor Navas, nice. 5. Another team of the week. Pozuelo, oh god, he plays for Toronto. I'm a Seattle fan. 6. Another team of the week. These packs are more corrupt than Lionel Messi's finances. Christ's sake. And another team of the week. Okay. Well, yeah, I guess. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe.